Hello guys, Ivan here and welcome to a new video. So today we are at the Munich Motor Show, and special thanks to Mercedes-Benz studio in the Munich, so we can check out this all new 2024 Mercedes AMG, and this is the GT63, the top dog of this special all new second generation of the GT Coupe. And this is in this amazing, beautiful paint. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Let me know in the comments what would be your dream color for the GT63. Or GT55 is also available. Let me know in the comments which one would you go for. Here you can see a short spec sheet of this vehicle. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified for all future episodes. And guys, in the next video we'll check out the all new 2024 CLE 300 Coupe, the brand new coupe model by the Mercedes in this beautiful spec red and white interior. Definitely stay tuned for that. So here we will do 360 walk around, so you can see the new back design for the GT Coupe. And now we have all new dimensions. The car is larger now in length and also in wheelbase. And thanks to that we have now 2+2 seater. So we have also 2 seats in the back and 2 in the front, of course. And you can see that this car is like a sort of, to me, when I saw this in person for the first time, it gives me this feeling that it is like a mix of the previous GT, the first generation, a little bit of the S-Class, a little bit of the GT Black Series, and also a lot of luxury. So this is even more Grand Tourer, the GT stands for Grand Touring, than before. So now you can use this as a more daily vehicle, and I think this is really great for this car. And as you can see, we have a really sharp design at the front. And yeah, this paint is called the Hyper Blue Magno. So this is a Hyper Blue matte paint, which I think suits this car quite a lot. We have also the aerodynamic package with this car. You can see the front lip and the side intake flicks. Also, we will see the wing at the back closely and check out how sharp it looks when we go down with the angle. I really love the look of this car. Also, we will check out this Black Series sort of trim, how it looks in a close-up. So let me know your first impressions in the comment section down below. The launch color for this car was silver. I think this looks much more extravagant than the silver. We'll also check out the interior shortly. So now we can check out the headlights. We have 3 dots, 3 stripe design, and also 2 projectors for the digital light technology. So the best which you can get at Mercedes AMG. And they have like a sort of blacked out design on the inside of the lights. And finally we have also new design for the wheels. These are in matte black, also with the yellow brake calipers. Yellow and this blue, they come together very nicely in my opinion. Let me know what you think. Also on this car we have the aero package, as you can see here. So here are these front flicks. They redirect the air like air curtain towards the side of the vehicle, and overall the car looks much more muscular in person than on the video or on the photo. So when you have a chance, go check it out in person whenever it will be available in your area. Also you can see the flick on the front fender. So here is the look at the front. Really amazing design in my opinion. So in terms of the engine versions, right now we have 2 engine versions. The 55, which has 476 horsepower and 700 Newton meters of torque. And this version, which is the 63, which has 585 horsepower and 800 Newton meters of torque. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles per hour happens only in 3.2 seconds, and 315 kilometers per hour is the top speed of this vehicle. Here you can see the aero package from the side. We can see this front lip which goes upwards, also on the new C-Class, A-Class, GT 4-door, so all new AMG vehicles have this front lip. And here you can see the openings to the radiators. So you can see that it's fully open in the front. So it's not like a black plastic trim underneath the grille. It's everything open for the cooling. And also on the front we can see the new badge. This is the AMG crest and the radar behind the Mercedes-Benz star. Full assistance systems package thanks to that as well, all new from the S-Class. We have the 2 power domes on the front hood. So let's check out these all new wheels in detail. They have a matte coating and silver outer rim, and also yellow brake calipers, which are ventilated, as you can see here. You can also get the carbon ceramics with the bronze calipers. And here we have the brand new Michelin Pilot Sport S5 tires, the all new series, which comes after the 4S. And the front tire size is 295/30 21 inch. And here you can see the look at the cabin. We have now much better visibility than in the previous GT Coupe in the first generation. And here on the front fender we can see this trim piece and also the V8 bi-turbo 4MATIC Plus. And this is the V8 without any hybrid unit, so pure internal combustion engine. Also at the side seals you can see the carbon trim as well, and also at the mirror caps, check it out, carbon fiber. So looks really sporty. We have also night package around the window trim and these beautiful pop-up handles. And here we can see the rear wheels with the yellow brake calipers, 305/30 21 inch, so wider at the back for better traction. And here you can see the shoulder of the vehicle, which we'll check out as well. So here is the rear look. With the aero package you get the fixed wing. If you don't get the aero package, then you have a wing which you can deploy or retract. So you can extend or retract. And also you can see the flicks in rear bumper in high gloss black. You can also get this with aero package, as well as the diffuser blade, which goes under the exhaust and diffuser. So I have many things which are included in the aero package. In my opinion, this is a sort of must-have if you really like the fixed wing. If you don't like the fixed wing, you can get this more like an understated look without the aero package. So let me know which would you go for. And the brand new design we have also for the taillights. You have these 3 stripes, same as in the front, same inspiration, and they are sort of connected with this thin line in between. So here you can see the silhouette, this beautiful coupe shape. Let me know how do you like this. And in the end you can enjoy this car with more people, so you can get your kids in the back. They are good up to 150 centimeters tall for the rear passengers, and you can check out in feet how much is that. And really amazing also the boot. We'll check out how huge it is. You can also fold the back seats, and here you can see the rear shoulders, how wide the car looks from the back. Really muscular and amazing looking. And also one thing to know, you don't have to go for the rear seats, so you can order the car without the rear seats. However, I think that many people will prefer the rear seats. You can have more passengers, or you can put your stuff there, the jacket or the bag, this kind of stuff. So I think it's useful for this car as well. We can see this car also has the night package too. So the front grille and the rear badges are in dark chrome. Carbon fiber trim also above the exhaust tips in this trim piece. Amazing looking. The fixed wing is also in carbon fiber. So a lot of carbon fiber as well. So let me know what we do go for. And here are these beautiful tail lamps. So these 3 red dots are also like a 3D. So check out this amazing design as well in the back. Very unique in my opinion. And here you can see the quarter panel. So yeah, now let's check out the interior, as you can see from the outside. And here is illumination of the AMG stripes near the side doors. And here is a look at the interior. It was not possible to sit in the car, but thanks to this channel and your support, guys, they were able to open the car to showcase it here on the video. So we have similar concept as in the new SL, but with the panoramic sunroof. You can now get it. It was not possible in the first gen GT Coupe. And you can see the sky above you, the skyscrapers, the buildings, or for example the mountains if you are somewhere on the road trip. So here in this case we can see the beautiful AMG steering wheel in carbon and microfiber, and manufacture AMG performance seats with the AMG crest on the headrest, and also this hyper analog cockpit which combines sort of traditional design and also the modern elements, and this beautiful diamond stitching and this white leather. I assume this is a deep white version. Let me know how do you like this and what do you go for. I think the spec is really amazing. Also, we can fold here the seats, so you can see how much room do we have here at the back seats. As I told you, 150 centimeters. You can fit an adult there, maybe behind the passenger seat, if the passenger goes more forward with its seats, but it's more suited to people up to 150 centimeters tall. So now let's check out the boot space. We have 321 liters. If you fold the rear seats, then 675 liters. Absolutely huge in terms of the boot space, and you can fit many stuff here. Bags, also 2 golf bags, and on the left side we can find the subwoofer. So really spacious car, and you can take it almost anywhere with this kind of luggage space. And yeah, I think this is beauty of the Grand Tourer, that you can Grand Tour many miles or kilometers in the car, and you will have a great road trip with this car for sure. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Let me know how do you like the new AMG GT Coupe, the GT63S, in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.